Okay, now I'm just going to go over how to. A lot of you guys don't have AdMaster. You don't have a software program that you're using on Craigslist. Maybe AdMaster is a little too expensive for your budget right now. Another option for you is Craygo. Craygo is another software. It's $57. It's a lot cheaper than AdMaster. It's very simple. It's definitely not as near as advanced as AdMaster, but it works very well. And I've used Craygo for over 9 months now, and I use AdMaster now. But I do have both of them, and I do use Craygo pretty often as well. So they both work. They're both very good. AdMaster is definitely where you want to be if you can. But Craygo will get your ads up very fast, very quickly. It'll just take you a little bit more work and a little bit more time. So, but I'll show you how to use it. First, what I would do before I even open up Craygo is just make sure that you have a new Gmail account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set one up just so you can see how I do it. Okay, and just bear with me while I get this set up. Just want to make sure you understand how this works. Pretty simple. Just set up a Gmail account. With Craygo, you're pretty much just going to use one email at a time. So and with Craygo, when I post ads with Craygo, I'm always gonna be logged into an account. So I'm gonna take this email I just created, and I'm gonna go set up a Craigslist account with that email. So I'm gonna go click here to sign up. Okay, and then just wait for the verification email. Usually comes pretty quick. Okay, here it is. So just one sec. Okay, and this I do this pretty much every time before I even open up Craygo, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, so now we've done that, and it's actually already logged us into Craigslist. We're already logged into the account. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, I'm going to open up Craygo. You always have to check this box whenever you open up Craygo. And then Craygo, when it opened, it's automatically going to connect with my already being logged into Craigslist. So Craygo is already logged into Craigslist as well. Okay, it pretty much just follows what you do outside of Craygo. So then what I would do is first I'm going to load my list. So and I have a lot of different lists here. I'm going to do, let's do sales jobs Texas. Okay. And how you set this up, Craygo is really easy to set up. Okay, this is where you go to ad editor. This is where you're going to put in your headline. This is where you're going to write the body of your ad, and then over here, and I'm not going to go through how to write the ads and how to do hidden text and the links and all that kind of stuff. You can look through the other videos to see how to do that. I would basically implement this the same way. I would usually do ad body here. And then do the link, and it depends what kind of link you want to do. If you want to do the secret link, or if you want to use a subdomain, or a redirect, or blogspot, or whatever, go ahead and do that. That's fine. However you want to set up your ads. And then if you want to set up like hidden text at the bottom, the code for that is, you could just do like line breaks. This is the HTML code that will put a lot of space between your ad and the hidden text at the bottom. That way people won't see the hidden text. So that's what I would usually do in Craygo, is just do that a couple times, copy it, and then just copy it, and then at the bottom put your hidden text. Or you don't even have to make it hidden. You could just make it regular text that is black. You don't have to make it invisible or whatever, as long as you have a lot of space between your ad and the hidden text. Or you can use the code to make it invisible. However you want to do it. Put the headline up here. And the way I would do this, I would always leave this empty, specific location, price, age, and rent. I would leave empty as well. And then I would always check this box. Do not show any email address. Make sure this is always checked. Leave this stuff up here empty. Now, to create a new campaign, it's very easy. So you would just click the link, create a new campaign, write the name of your campaign, and these are campaigns I already have. So like CL1 325, that's a campaign that I created. And then what you do, if you wanted to, like I already have 2 ads here on the top right, but if you want, like for instance, if this was a real ad and I wanted to save it, what I would do is I would just choose a name for it. So I'm probably going to name it ad 3, and then I would just click save ad, and it's going to save over here at the top. Okay. If you want to edit it, just select what ad you want to edit, hit edit selected. If you want to delete it, select the ad and click delete selected. Okay. So that's pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. There is a link here. Craygo inserted basically a code. You can click insert link. Write in the link that you want to he has a code here where he actually does the link for you. So you just write in the URL, and this is going to do the basically it's only going to show up CL Black Hat, and that's going to be clickable. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You can do the same thing with an image up here. Okay, now I'm going to go to the settings tab, and the boxes I usually check are telecommute, part-time, phone calls okay, okay to repost, and I usually just kind of leave this stuff alone. And then over here, this is no big deal. I actually usually have this empty. You can put in an email if you want. No big deal. Just whatever email you put here. This doesn't matter because we're already logged into the account, so don't mess with that at all. Okay, just leave it blank. And that's it. So Craygo is very simple to use, very user friendly, and is very good. So I would definitely recommend using it if you can. If you cannot get AdMaster, I would definitely recommend getting Craygo. It's going to make posting your ads a lot faster. You can post a ton of ads really fast. You'll have to enter the caption image, but it's it doesn't take that long. So what I would normally do is post about 5. And let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and post an ad just to show you. Okay, and I'm actually gonna do. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this campaign. Okay. So I already got the links. Let me get the ads up. I'm going to choose CL325. And that's what I'm going to do. This is how fast it is, okay? You just hit begin posting. Automatically puts everything in for you. All you have to do is type in the caption image. And you can see how fast that was. I already posted 4 ads. I think it was 4. It might take a minute for them to show up here, but that was either 3 or 4 ads that I posted in just a few seconds. So Craygo is very fast. It's very easy, very quick, and it's just really that easy. So if you can't afford AdMaster, Craygo is definitely a good option to go with, and we'll provide you a link to go to the site to purchase it. So. But that's it. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.